The 1,151 pieces of road construction equipment commissioned by President Yoweri Museveni include motor graders, wheel loaders, excavators, and bulldozers, which will be distributed to each district, the Uganda National Roads Authority, Kampala Capital City Authority, and other government agencies that will assist in the construction of Uganda's roads. The government purchased the equipment at the cost of 571 billion shillings, with 85% coming from a commercial loan from the Japan Bank for International Cooperation. The government provided the remainder of the money. President Yoweri Museveni revealed that Uganda will no longer allow useless imports and that fleets like this one will reduce the cost of road construction per kilometer, especially at district level.
So there will be a bulldozer with its low loader, unless you have changed the contract. So when you need to move it from Mubende to Chenkwanzi, the vehicle to carry it is there. You don't have to hire, no. So that means no more tenders.
The ambassador of Japan to Uganda, Kazuaki Kameda, lauded Uganda's relationship with his country. He said that the equipment will boost Uganda's economy through improved high-quality mechanization, but cautioned that it requires proper maintenance and regular checkups.
The supplier has prepared also necessary service arrangements. Now, the lifespan of the equipment depends on you, operators and mechanics. In general, Japanese equipment is considered as being highly quality but expensive.
Works and Transport Minister Monica Zubantege revealed the training of personnel who will manage the machines is underway. The first installment of equipment will be distributed to 35 districts.
Unfortunately, at times we train people and they go for greener pastures. But we are going to do our very best to ensure that we retain the operators that we are training.
District chairpersons are happy with this development.
And this system that we've been having on the graders that could know, which we've been calling construction of the road, just bring all those soils and we just pour it on the way, where the citizens have been complaining. At least as per now we believe that that one is now over.
In 2012, Uganda bought equipment worth $106 million on a loan from the Exim Bank of China and distributed it to some districts. However, most of it has since broken down due to poor maintenance. Suhail Mugavi, NTV, Weekend Edition.